Legal standoff between the city and the police union now heating up over the newly implemented vaccine mandates for city workers.
WGN's Judy Wang is live at police headquarters with the latest. Hi, Judy.
Good morning. The mayor versus the police union president. In this round, a Cook County Circuit Court judge sided with the city, ruling that there was potential irreparable harm. She silenced the FOB president on this issue until the next court hearing, which is scheduled for the 25th. The city went to court after union president John Cantazzara encouraged the rank and file to defy the city's order to report their vaccination status. Police and other city workers had to do that by the end of Friday. If not vaccinated, they have to undergo weekly testing. For the rest of the year, employees who did not comply could be put on no pay status. After a 2-hour hearing, the judge barred Cantazzara from making more videos or using social media to make statements about the vaccine policy. In court, city attorneys accused Cantazzara of trying to instigate an illegal work stoppage, putting city residents at risk. Cantazzara had predicted about 50% of the police force would stay home at a time when the number of shootings is up. Minutes after the court hearing, Cantazzara made another video. He said that he would comply with the judge's order, and at the end of the video, he held up a sign that said John Cantazzara for mayor 2023.
Everybody has to do what's in their hearts and minds, whatever that is. But I will just leave you with this. Policy starts at the top in this city, and it has proven time and time again that the top of this city's policy needs to change.
If they do not abide by what is a lawful directive, and worse, if they are insubordinate or refuse to follow an order, that will ruin their career. It will be something that follows them forever, and there's no reason for that.
Mayor Lightfoot also stated her hope that officers do not follow the union president's lead. She says she believes most of the officers on the force will comply with the city's vaccine policy. At this time, it is unknown what percentage of the city's police force is fully vaccinated. Outside police headquarters at 35th and Michigan, Judy Wang, WGN News.